Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. I'm just gonna show you real quick, how to fix the fuel hoses, going to the fuel rail. As you can see, that one's really messed up, and the other end right there is really messed up too. So this one's right here, once you take this little clamp, you're gonna have to end up cutting them, because if you try to like push them out, you're just gonna break the little plastic. Now if you see these little pins right here, with this black one, you gotta push it in. Once you got it all the way in, it should just come on. Same as this blue one. You gotta push this either with a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, use your fingernails, and just snap it out. So once you get that, you gotta get the little clamps out of here, and then you just like get it out. See how this one's already messed up too. And now the only thing that we gotta use is just pretty much another hose. It's a quarter. Just get it from the auto parts. As you can see, it's very simple. You only get 2 clamps there, and then you get, but this one you gotta take the whole thing, cut this one just like right here. As you can see, I cut the line here with a knife just to get this part out. And now this should go just in here. I'm just gonna put this in, and then I show you. This is pretty simple. So as you can see guys, like this is really simple. Like the only way that you gotta do is just like I told you, just clip those little things out, just to take the plastic little adapter out. Then just push it all the way in, replace the hose, and just put new clamps. The other ones, like this ones, doesn't really work that much, but if you add this type of clamps, like they're gonna look much better, and they're actually gonna work way better. And that's simple. You can just replace and upgrade your fuel line hoses, I mean the ones going to the fuel rail. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.